Guys, in this video, let us look at this methylene blue reduction test. Okay. So what are we looking at now? Methylene blue reduction test. This is a test for milk. Okay. So basically you can do this on raw milk or pasteurized milk or any milk. But what you're trying to detect is microorganisms. So it is trying to detect the presence of microorganisms. So what are we trying to detect? Microorganisms. So whether microorganisms are present in the milk. That's all is our concern. We are not concerned whether it is pasteurized, not pasteurized, etc. We want to know whether microorganisms are present or not. Okay. So what you will do, you will take 10 ml of milk. Okay, you will take 10 ml of milk and to it you will add what? Methylene blue. Okay. So then what it will happen? The milk will become blue color. As simple as that, right? Did you understand this part? Pretty simple, right? So you're taking milk, adding methylene blue to it, and then the milk itself becomes blue. So this is just your test. You're not going to drink this milk. You're just going to test it, right? So you have taken a sample milk and you have put methylene blue indicator. Now it became blue. Now you will leave it for 5 hours. Interestingly, they are telling here in the textbook that you will leave it for 5 hours. You will incubate it in a water bath for 5 hours. And if there are no microorganisms, then the blue color will persist. So you can see here, there are no microorganisms, so the blue color will persist. So that is a good thing. So if blue color remains, that means it is good. Okay. So this one is good now because no microorganisms, no enzyme activity, nothing. So it is remaining blue. However, if it has microorganisms, the colors will be different. So you can assume that blue is safe and whatever has changed color has microorganisms. Based on that, you can decide which milk to buy and further pasteurize also. If you want, you can choose this milk. Okay. So even on pasteurized milk, you can do this test and find out whether it has microorganisms or not. Even before pasteurizing, to choose the raw milk for pasteurization, you can do this methylene blue reduction test. So methylene blue reduction test can be done on any type of milk to know the presence of microorganisms. That's all, guys. Hope you have understood this methylene blue reduction test. Remember, milk has a lot of tests. So if you have visited a dairy, right? If in your community medicine, if they took you, they will show you so many types of tests. This is just one of the tests, methylene blue reduction test. You have pH test, lactometer to check the density. You have a phosphatase test. You have so many other tests. Okay. This is just one of them. So we will meet you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye. Remember one thing, guys. If it gets decolorized, it is bad. So you can say if it is white, right, it is bad after this test. Interestingly, the white milk is bad after this test, okay, because it was able to decolorize it, okay. So what else you should know, and the time by which it is happening also. So if you're waiting 5 hours and it's still blue is great, but which of them has started quickly, also that also you can know. Which of them has started to decolorize quickly, okay, based on time also you can look at. So basically you understood that methylene blue test, methylene blue reduction test, if the milk becomes white at the end, that is bad.